Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp PDF open option not showing problem. Okay, let's start the video. First open your phone setting, scroll down, click on apps and notification, click on see all apps, then click on three dot icon, click on reset app preference, and finally click on reset apps. Then back on home screen, open your WhatsApp app, now open any PDF. Finally, WhatsApp PDF open option not showing problem solved. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.